The first problem I'm solving here. So all these problems I'm going to solve in this video. So subscribe for the channel and hit on the like button and the bell icon for the latest notifications, and share it to the maximum students so that they can be benefited from this. So first I have drawn an xy line. Okay, so here they have mentioned a point 20 mm below the reference xy line is the top view of 3 points, that is PQR. So below the xy line I will be drawing a 0.13 mm thin line, projection line, for a dimension of 20. Okay, now here exactly at this end point I am going to place the point with the thickness of 2 mm exactly at the end point. Okay, now I am mentioning the top views here. So top views of PQR. Okay, this is P, Q and R. So these are nothing but your top views. Okay, see, P is 20 mm below HP. So below HP means the front view will be lying in third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay, so below HP means it lying in the third and fourth quadrant. So in this both the cases a front view will be lying below the xy line. Okay, that is VP plane. VP HP in the fourth quadrant it is lying below the xy line, and in the third quadrant so we have HP above the xy line and VP below the xy line. So that means on the same point we are getting the front view P dash here. Okay, that is 20 mm. Q is 35 mm above HP. So 35 above HP means it is a front view. So above HP means two conditions here. Either it can be lying in the first and fourth quadrant, first and second quadrant. In both first and second quadrant, so front view lying above the xy line. So above the xy line we should mention 35 mm. Okay, here we should mention a point by taking thickness 2 mm. Put a point. Okay, here this is your Q dash. Okay, now the R is on HP. R is on HP means on the xy line we should mention the point here. So this is your R dash. So this completes the problem, and here we should mention in which quadrants they are lying. Okay, so here point P lies in fourth, and point P lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, and point Q lies in first quadrant. Point R lies in either in third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay, there are two chances here because it is resting on the HP plane. So that completes the first problem in the projection of points. So this completes the first problem. So now we have to take the second problem now.